Okay, here we are back on site. All the 3D membranes installed. I was able to salvage most of this backsplash. I replaced a small piece of drywall over here. This side I wasn't, so I had to replace this section. Had a patch over there since we cannot take off all the drywall going that way. So today we're going to get ready to install the stone and glass mixed mosaics. So that's where we're at today. Everything is dried up, cured, and ready to go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today, being installing this mosaic backsplash. It's like a glass and stone mix mosaic tile. These clips, believe it or not, I'm recording this in November of 2023, but the footage here that you're actually watching on the screen is actually from July of 2021. So I do have a lot of footage kind of backed up, so I kind of make videos as I kind of come up with ideas. And if you do have any ideas for videos, I'm always looking for the next idea for a video. You know, change things up or try a different thing. So whatever you think or you would like to see in the future, just leave it in the comment section below. But otherwise, I'm going to be installing this backsplash for this client. I'm going to be pretty much just speeding this up, doing a time lapse here of the whole install. But I used a high polymer thin set mortar here, and I used a probably use Ardex X77 or that, or either that or either Latacrete Multimax 255. Either one of those really work well for doing backsplashes, so you can spread out more. The open time is longer and it holds up the tile pretty well. I mean, nothing holds it up perfectly, but it doesn't sag too much. So this is what I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned. I'll be going through this whole video here for the install, and again, I'm using a high power mortar, and the trowel I'm actually using is a Dieter trowel, which is a square notch 3/16 by 3/16 trowel. It's just enough mortar for these mosaics. You can use that or 1/4 inch, or even you can even use a 1/4 inch and flatten out the ridges with the flat side of the trowel if you want. I usually don't like to do that because the gauge, the thickness of the mortar kind of gets a little bit inconsistent when you do that. So by using the notch, you're gonna have a consistent bed of mortar on there, and you're still gonna get pretty good coverage. It's not gonna be 100%, but you'll still get your standard, you know, 80% or so on the back of the tile. Enjoy the video. Thanks, guys.